friends, in this video we are going to know about baby hiccups. Hiccups happen when something causes the diaphragm to spasm and the vocal cords quickly shut. Air is forced out through the closed vocal cords, creating the hiccuping sound. Generally, babies swallow a lot of air when they are fed. It includes breastfeeding and bottle feeding, and it causes hiccups. Hiccups occur when the babies are overfed. It also occurs when the baby eats quickly. One more common reason is growth of the baby's internal organs like intestine and stomach. How can we avoid hiccups? If the baby is breastfed, burp baby as you switch from one breast to the other. Make sure baby's lips are sealed around the areola of your breast. If the baby is bottle fed, stop it halfway to burp baby and complete the feeding after a 5 to 10 minutes break. Try repositioning the bottle so that the air isn't near the nipple but is instead at the bottom of the bottle. Sit your baby upright for 20 to 30 minutes after each feeding. Rubbing baby's back or rocking hair also can help. Avoid overfeeding. You can feed the baby to stop hiccups, or give them warm water, or soak a handful of raisins in hot water and give it to the babies. Hope this video is helpful. Please contact me for any questions regarding this video by posting your comments below. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you want to share it to your friends, please share it. Would you like to know more about childcare? Then please subscribe. Bye for now. Meet you in my next childcare video. Have a nice day. Hi friends.